Hi, my name is Chen. Today I'm presenting our work CoCapture, a system that helps UI designers to efficiently communicate UI behaviors on existing websites. User interface mockups are commonly used as shared context during UI development collaboration. During communication, UI designers often use screenshots and sketches, like you see on these two Stack Overflow pages, to mock up their desired UI behaviors to ground the communication. However, sometimes interfaces can be arbitrarily complex, making them labor-intensive to sketch. Additionally, these visual references may not be available to use. In this work, we ask, how can we facilitate UI designers to more effectively communicate about their UI behaviors in the context of the following three constraints? They are in the later stage of UI development, the UI behaviors are dynamic, and when there's no existing examples they can point to. To answer this question, we designed CoCapture, a system that aims to help interface designers to more clearly communicate about their UI behavior issues. Let's take a look at this example. Suppose I'm developing this blog website shown on the left, and I'm thinking of adding some behaviors so that my website will look like the one on the right. To get feedback from my colleagues on this idea, I'm going to use CoCapture to make a request. To start CoCapture, I click this Chrome extension icon in my browser, and then I click record button to start recording the existing behavior, in my case page scrolling. And just like normal screen recording, I will demonstrate the existing behavior on my page and use it as a base context later. Once finished, I can see three sections in CoCapture main control panel. Let's focus on the one in the middle, which is the replay of the demonstration. Unlike screen recording, where the content is captured in pixel, CoCapture takes snapshots of the web DOM tree changes during the recording, and when reconstructing the replay, each frame becomes a standalone website. And CoCapture enables users to directly manipulate the DOM element properties like their position or the transparency level, or even sketch new elements to add to the screen. And all these features are meant to create this prototyping environment that's almost like importing the existing behavior into it and make each element editable so that users don't have to waste their effort on reconstructing them from scratch. And to add new behaviors on top, users can record their demonstration by directly manipulating the elements. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. The first effect I want to add is to dim the background as the page scrolls down. And to create this mockup, I first click to select the background element and click the record element behavior button. And by changing the transparency level, CoCapture records the element property changes and creates an effect as an animation. And I can adjust the slider to set the starting and ending time of the animation with respect to when this behavior should occur. And I can replay the single animation by clicking this replay button, or click this play all button to see the replay where the animation has been added on top of the original recording. After adding more animations, I can replay all the animations together as if they've been added to my current website. After creating these visual references, users can write their requests in the highlighted text box, and CoCapture allows them to link part of the text to either an animation or a DOM element. When helpers read this description, they can click the hyperlink to see references either as a highlighted DOM element or a replay of an animation. We conducted 2 within-subject studies to evaluate the accuracy and clarity of the questions made using CoCapture. We found that CoCapture can help requesters to create questions that satisfy more required information, and also requesters spend less time on writing text to describe their questions, and the length of the text description was much shorter. On the other side, helpers also find that CoCapture can help ground the communication and reduce the navigation effort. And helper 1 said, it's like combining what email does the best with what video does the best. The key point from this project is that by enabling users to leveraging existing artifacts, we help make visual communication more accurate and easy to understand, and therefore making UI development more efficient. Thank you for your time.